Hello there and welcome to the 11th episode of the Daily Shed. Today I want to share with you a cool little chromatic exercise and warm-ups. I find are very important, whether you're practicing or getting ready to go on stage. If I don't warm up, I'm kind of lost. So this is something that I always do. Pretty much every show and every practice session I do this little warm-up. I saw Josiah trying it last night, and it's actually something that I got from him. I saw him mention once, and I like it a lot. So I want to share this with you guys. Sorry, just getting in tune here. It's a Monday. All right, so it's basically is one fret, one finger per string, and I like doing it in 3 different areas of the fretboard. I'll start out just in the middle here. So 5th fret, and just go over 1 string and up 1 fret. So just like that, and then drop down 3 frets and go back down. Now going up 1 finger, 1 fret. So. And you go all the way across and then jump up a string and do it all the way across the fretboard. So I'm not used to doing this in front of the camera, obviously. Yeah, and you can do it both as a sweep pick, which I do, and sweep pick meaning I'm just picking down, then picking up. Like that, or picking each note individually. Or finger style, you can do, which is actually a good exercise to do, thumb, index, middle, and ring finger, just like that. And then I move up, because your neck, of course, is a different width and thickness at different areas. I like going up. I like starting in the middle and then going up to the 9th fret and doing the same thing. And then going all the way down to the 1st fret, which is the widest area, like that. And yeah, I just find this is a really good way to get all your fingers involved, to start stretching them a little bit. And before I do this, I always just kind of shake my hands out a little bit, just try to get them ready for action. And then I do that little warm up and try to be really accurate with it. As a daily exercise, it can be nice. Set your metronome and just pick through it very slowly, especially if you're doing pick style. It's a nice little string skipping exercise. Or, a nice little picking exercise basically between strings. So I hope you find this useful. Like I said, I myself use this all the time, and I find it really nice to kind of warm up and just as a good exercise for both your hands. So, all right, hope you can use this, and as always, let me know any questions or comments below. Thanks so much.